+5 short, +5% short interest on the day. I'm gonna explode. What is this? Get ready for ear rape. I'm gonna warn you right now. You're good. There's gonna be ear rape 100,000%. All right. Look at this. All right. What is this? 5% on the day, almost 6% up on the day short interest. We're literally in the green today. We were up 6% short interest yesterday. We're still going up. Look at the borrowed shares. All right. Put the volume. You might want to put the volume down. All right. Look at this. 10 million borrowed shares on the day. Okay, on the day. Look at the free float. Look at the free float percentage. 16% has been sold short. Now you covered 5% on the day, man. Take a shot. All right, if you're at work right now, I don't care. Drinking game idea. This is going to be fun for you. Take a shot every time I say short interest because I'm going to be saying it like 7,000 times. Good luck. All right, it's going to be fun for the first 5 minutes and you're going to be dead. You're going to be dead afterwards because, dude, it's... Oh... We are green on the day. The Nasdaq is holding up well and about to test all-time highs again. Let's go to the Nasdaq's chart real quick. We're literally about to test all-time highs right now. Okay, right now we're literally getting ready to test it. It's goddamn. Oh, I was thinking earlier if I should actually add shares on stream because of this, and we may do that. I do, but the thing is though, the thing is the markets, the broader market, headwinds, the government spending 120 billion a month. Otherwise, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I trade this though. Do some trade. You know what? I'll do some trade on my other account. Maybe we can buy some more shares. I don't know. Maybe. But dude, this this is absolutely insane. 6% on the day. Are you kidding me? What does this mean, right? What does this mean, Brandon? Who cares if it's up 5%? The data could be wrong. It's wrong. What's going on? All right, well, basically, we now have 45 million shares that have been sold short, not yet covered, right? 16.37% of the free float sold short, not yet covered. What does this mean? Basically, if we were to go higher, if we are going to get the crazy volume tomorrow, right? You know, like we most likely are, right? If we look at BNGO at least, we have on the option chain here, we got a ton. We have a ton of 15,000. Oh my God, people keep buying more of these, dude. There's even more higher open interest on the calls. For the options expiring tomorrow, 18th of June. That's Friday, my friends. That's tomorrow. All right, that's gonna be insane volume. We have shorts betting. I don't know what these shorts are doing. I don't know if they're just intentionally trying to throw away their money. But unless the markets just absolutely dump tomorrow, they're gonna get screwed. They're gonna get screwed, man. Oh, this is like, what is this? We're now at a short interest that's like 3% higher than AMC. No one cares. They still censor us, right? It doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is, with this short interest, 45 million shares of, come on. Okay, there's only 278 million shares outstanding. 16% of that essentially has been sold short, right? Imagine if they're going to buy that. Let's just be conservative and say half of them are going to buy back their shares, right? What would that do for the stock price? I don't know exactly. 20%, 30%, 50. I don't. 100% is if it's going to be an insane one, I guess. I don't know if 100% is likely or realistic. I don't know. I would say at least 20 to 30% is easily realistic. Okay, we're talking about tens of millions of shares here. We're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars easily. Okay, we're talking about close to. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. AMC's about the moon. Well, it's only up 13%. It's doing well, but it's not about the. You got a little while to go till 52-week highs. But yeah, this is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe. The amount of arrogance the shorts have to actually do this. This was up 6% yesterday. We talked about this yesterday. No one cared, right? Imagine how high we would be today if there wasn't another, 2 to 3 million more shorts that just took up new positions and just got those shares. They just got them. They just started selling those short shares. Now they have a short position, right? I don't know what to say. What do you guys think? I really don't know what to say. Right now we're barcoding. There's no volume. It looks like. Hold on. Let me see. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say to that. Yeah, there is no volume. It looks like Nano Dimension is still kicking ass. Microvision is doing nothing. It's doing better than BNGO, I guess, throughout the second half of the day. And BNGO is struggling in the right now. Power hour, we got 40 minutes left till power hour. What we want today, screw Bionano, okay? Bionano is great, obviously. We want the Nasdaq to break out above all-time highs. That's what we want. All right, if I'm being honest with you, it would be great if the Nasdaq could clear 14,200. It'd be great. That would be great. Brandon is pumping and dumping BNGO as a 11K value worth of shares. Oh, is that good? So it is the short interest going up is only good if we're going to actually if the stop price is going to go up. Okay, if the stop price continues to go up, if we continue to get green days for Bionano, it's extremely good. If it doesn't, and I mean by that is what I mean by that is and why is because if we could continue to go higher, the shorts that are having new positions just started them today, and the ones that are already in the red, it's more likely that they're going to cover. Okay, they've already been tripling down. They've already been doubling down. They're already damn close to a margin call. A lot of them are. I guarantee you a lot of them are. Once one starts, it's likely that we're going to get freaking domino effect. So I think if the markets do us favors, if the Nasdaq could break above all-time highs today, it could get absolutely awesome. And I will be maybe I don't know. I don't want to say I'm adding shares. Maybe I'll add shares. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. But yeah, we do have. But the scary thing, like the bear case, is that the Nasdaq is forming a triple top right now, right? That's the scary thing. Triple top is bearish, and we very rarely do we see triple tops. Double tops are fairly common. Triple tops not common at all, in my experience. Yes, shut off your stock lending program. By the way, I'm already kind of chilled out, which is a good thing because I already kind of started yelling. But I am gonna a drinking game. Take a shot every time I say short interest because this is the main focus of the stream today. Okay, 6% of the day. We're now over we now have a higher short interest than AMC, and we've had that for a while, but now it's just substantial. It's not something that you can neglect now. We've got 10 million borrowed shares on the day. A lot of them haven't been returned, but look at the short interest. We got 45 million. 45 million current shorts, current amount of shares that have been sold short, not yet covered, right? Lent out by the brokers to the bears. They're now applying selling pressure on the stock. You got to turn that stock lending program off so the Are you kidding me? It doesn't stop going up. It doesn't stop. I mean, is this ever going to? Are the shorts ever going to learn? I mean, I guess they're not in the red. I mean, they already are. A lot of them are already deep in the red. But it's just, I mean, this is blowing. This is a mind ball. I cannot believe this. Like, are they going to explode? Are they going to blow up the headquarters? Like, I'm legitimately worried for the CEO's life at this point. Why are they so freaking confident in adding to their short positions? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh. Okay, BNGO, it's testing the SAR on the 5-minute. It's getting some support there right now. Oh my gosh. I gotta calm down. I don't understand. I don't know what to say. I'm so surprised. I'm so surprised. 16.37% of the free float currently sold short. I don't know what these people are thinking. I mean, of course, they could be right. Of course, we could be heading down for more dumpage, of course. But if we are not, they're going to lose tens of millions of dollars. If not, a lot of them are going to lose hundreds of millions. That's as simple as it gets. All right, you already know the spiel, right? You already know what I said. Ape language, the shorts have been doubling down for a long-ass time, okay? Since mid-April, to be specific with you. What was the stop price then on the 15th? That's a settlement day on Findel short interest that I'm referring to. $6.50. Right now, we're at a stop price of almost $8. What does that tell you, right? Well, they are down. A lot of them are down in the red right now. And if we continue, I mean, guys, this is a bullish chart pattern. Okay, I don't want to get your hopes up, right? Please make your own decision. But we right now we've broken out of a descending wedge, which actually is a bullish chart pattern. If the prior move was higher, obviously it doesn't get much clearer than this, right? Obviously it was a move higher before then. So that's the price. Here's the price target, right? Roughly, you're looking at $9. Okay, price target is way higher. Technicals are higher. Fundamentally, we're better than ever before. We have a rumored, pretty speculative, but maybe true, huge sapphire sale going on. Maybe, right? Maybe. So I mean, earnings is coming soon, right? Well, not really. I mean, kind of. Okay, not really. I mean, we got 1 month. No, we got like 1.5 months. Yeah. Yes. About 1.5. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more than that too. So it's like, But yeah, right now I'm just trying to calm down. I'm just trying to stay calm because oh man. This is something that I get pissed off about easily. I mean, it's fine. Like, it's fine. I can't complain. The stop price is green today. But, it just blows my mind. I mean, I legitimately don't know what these people are thinking. I don't know why. I mean, unless they know something that we don't, unless they're going to manipulate the stock down to like $6 again, which they've done before, right? I don't know how they're going to get out of this, to be honest with you. Like, the Nasdaq could definitely form a triple top here. I think there's a very high chance that this thing breaks today, before the end of the day or tomorrow. But we'll see. I think it is. Okay, I think it is. I think we should. There's not a stock split happening. There's not a stock split happening for BNGO. It's not happening. Let me go to the 5-minute chart here. If anyone's just getting in here right now, okay, we've got a short interest increase on the day according to Batform on the Discord, right? And it is legit. I mean, it looks legit at least. Okay, the Batform has been good for us. Okay, BNGO, trades from Thursday, 6% increase, 11 million borrowed shares on the day, 45 million current short interest, and 16.37% of the free flow has been sold short, not yet covered. As simple as it gets. I mean, do you know how high it would be up if it wasn't 5% increase? I mean, I don't know. We probably wouldn't be up an insane amount. We would just be up like 2, 3, 4, 5% maybe. If the shorts didn't hammer today and pounce on the freaking price. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're thinking. I really don't know what they're thinking. There is no volume. I know. Let's compare the volume. Yeah, if we compare the volume real quick, there's none. There's no. Look at. Okay, you know it's bad with Nano Dimension. Nano Dimension's great, okay, but Nano Dimension, they usually are not better than us in volume. They are kicking our asses today. And also, you know, speaking of kicking asses, we're getting our asses kicked by Nano Dimension along with the average 3-month volume simultaneously. We are still in bullish territory on the 5-minute, though, which is actually awesome. SI is abbreviation for short interest, my friend. We need a short insider. Missing Scholar, I'm pretty sure you're the one that's spreading FUD, if unless you have proof. Okay, now we have 2 people saying it. Wait, what? What's up with Deo spreading FUD? What is this? Oh, what is it? It's this. It's this, my friend. It's higher than AMC. It's 16%. And 45 million shares, which the last date was about 13% of the shares outstanding, which was 38 million shares. Now we're at 45. So yeah, Ortex is gonna be 16%, and that coincides with Fentel's projection projection ish roughly. Yes, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, they got the new patent or whatever today. I thought they got it. Someone said they had a patent. I don't know. Yeah, the short interest is absolutely insane today. It's absolutely insane. I don't know. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what these guys are thinking. Like, why? Why are you so confident it's going down? Like, if the Nasdaq breaks all-time highs today, I mean, you know what's coming for you. You know it's coming. You know the squeeze is coming. We've got options expiring tomorrow, which could be awesome or not, right? We'll see. We'll see. All right. Deo gets like 5 views. Who cares, bro? That's me. I'm pretty sure you're confusing Deo with me. I'm the one that doesn't get any views. Do you ever make an appointment with Mark from Newsweed? He's not really an appointment, but we're going to meet in some public place, and he's coming next Wednesday. He's the guy that has 1 million shares of 1 million BNGO shares at an average cost of $2. So yeah, he sent me a picture of his portfolio. He looks legit. So I don't know. We're gonna go see. Hopefully it is legit. Hopefully I don't die. Yeah. What's going on with Mason Score? Can somebody tell me if Deo? Can somebody tell me the truth of this FUD situation or whatever the heck's going on? Well, Nasdaq's 1% in the green. For anyone that's confused here, why I'm talking about all Nasdaq all-time highs, right? 14,200. That 14,200. That's basically all-time highs, right? So that's what we need. Obviously, that's what we need to break, and we're very close. We're in the Nasdaq, and I really like what happened here, right? You got rejected, you went down a little bit, and then the dip buyers came in, right? You got the hammer, you got the doji, and then you got the hammer perfect textbook, and then you run, and now we're hopefully we're going up for a retest. Brandon gets mugged by Dr. Pepper and Robbie. Oh, if you die, will me your shares and I'll help pay for your funeral. Deo sold? Wait, no. Are you serious? Deo sold? No. You better be joking with me. I don't believe that. Somebody confirm with me. No, please don't tell me Deo sold. Please don't tell me Deo sold. I don't believe that. Until somebody verifies for me, I don't believe that. All right, let's go back to look. Dude, the Nasdaq is gonna test it maybe. Deo is the Frunkla investment. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm sorry. Frunkla. I don't know if it's. I don't know. Yeah, apparently he sold shares. Did he? Somebody answer me. Oh yeah, by the way, we did technically have new news come in today. We had a 617, we had a 13F come in, and it was basically an institution getting rid of 33% of the value of shares, and now they only have 400 shares. So that's fun. I saw somebody say on the Discord or something. I forgot where. I think it was on the Discord. But yeah, it's like I mean, you and me, we might as well be institutions if this is an institution, right? 400 shares. Really? Look at that. Look at that portfolio allocation. Big crash coming. Okay, FUD. Okay, FUD much. FUD much, right? All right. Did he? Did he sell? What is going on? We got cat fighting in the chat. All right, we're up almost 1% right now, 785. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to say. The only thing to say is that the short interest is super high today. All right. 6% of the day. It's like, what? Oh, market is signaling a flash crash. BNGO is now 51% of my portfolio. Welcome to the Fellowship of the Sapphire, my friend, if you're part of the community. Hell yes. If anyone's just getting in here right now, all right, we don't have many people, we don't have many viewers, and it's fine, okay? Because all you need to know is you need to spread this information. 6% short interest change on the day. We're now higher in AMC. We now have 45 million current estimated short interest. We have 16.37% of the free float currently sold short, not yet covered. My friends, if the Nasdaq breaks above all-time highs today, which we are going to watch, right? Where I'm flipping in between the Nasdaq and, you know what, I'll just keep it right here so we can see. It needs to be about 1.10% or 1.3% roughly to break above 14,200. If we do that stuff with the options expiring tomorrow, it could get bull case, right? There's only a chance of this happening, but it could get very parabolic, my friends. It could. Please do your own damn research, though. Do your own research. Yeah, unless you have a link, stop bashing Deo. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why these people are saying Deo sold. I'm pretty sure everybody would be freaking out if Deo sold. if a BNGO YouTuber sold out, that would suck ass. Sell, sell. No, I'm kidding. no way. And we have anyone else new here? I don't know what to say right now because I don't know. But my whole portfolio is BNGO, by the way. If we have any new viewers, I show my portfolio for transparency. I bet you did not know any other YouTuber that showed their portfolio. Right. Do you think we can squeeze without the need of Wall Street bets? Without their help, yeah, we don't need we can still squeeze that Wall Street bets. Absolutely, they would help a lot, obviously, but we don't need them. No, not at all. Not at all. Mark is about to crash on triple top. Yeah, that's the bear case. I don't think so. I mean, honestly, because here's the thing: if we were gonna crash, we probably would not be hanging around all-time highs right now, right? We would have got rejected. And then it would be a falling knife until we got some support. But no, what you see here is a doji candle, and then you have that hammer candle signaling the reversal. That's a bullish one, right? Potential reversal is doji, indecision. Then you got the hammer, and then there we go, off to the races, right? And right now we'll see what's gonna happen here. But yeah, ban him. Nasdaq's up 1%. BNGO's up 0.5%. High growth is still doing, by and large, high growth is still doing fairly well, right? But if we look at the trend lines, the spark lines, I should say, for BNGO, Microvision, and NNDM, usually they're the same. Today, you can see they're all different. Obviously, okay, it doesn't take a genius to figure it out, but this is very weird, right? We've seen, I mean, yesterday they were the exact same spark line, essentially. And right now, they're not at all. And you can see the volume discrepancies, right? Usually, Bionano is kicking these guys' ass. Right now, today, Bionano's volume is getting obliterated by the 3-month average and Microvision and NNDM. So those are weird things. I mean, we didn't really get any news today. Technically, we did. Technically, we did get news today. We got the, what do you call it? We got this presentation right here, which, I mean, we did give this a look-see, and it's nothing. And then we also got this, someone sold... March 31st, somebody sold like a couple hundred shares. Okay, it's nothing. It's literally nothing. And then we had yesterday, we had another fund disclose a 65,000 share short position on BNGO. So that was interesting. Somebody better send me a link to Deo selling, or I don't believe it. Because yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking about that. We got Keenan Grace, Chris Sane, and Zip Trader as BNGO bulls. Is Zip Trader a bull though? I hope he is. Somebody sent me the thing yesterday. Oh, where was it? I forgot where it was. It's probably way up there. They sent me the thing that said that apparently Zip Trader has like a $19 or $18 price target for BNGO, which is awesome. The only good BNGO pumpers is our main man dissenT and Mr. Bestala. Our main pumpers. That's too funny. I'm not meant to be a pumper, my friend, but that's funny, man. Oh man, what? 95% BNGO over here. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I don't know what the hell's going on in the chat, so I'm just going to ignore some of this fighting going on. All right. Fellowship of the Sapphire. Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it as well, my friend. Zip Trader has mentioned that he still thinks BNGO is speculative. Doesn't seem like he knows all the DD. It would make sense. It's a very hard company to grasp. You got to spend a lot of hours, as many of my OGs know, right? You got to spend a lot of time. At least I did, right? Because I'm not smart enough to just understand it in like a couple hours. No, I need days and weeks of freaking research. But once you see it, once you understand why OGM is better than other methods and greater than 500 base pair detection, it's over. It's over. You understand why the sales are just going to continue to increase and why the CAGR of 70% or 80% per Seeking Alpha analyst for the Sapphire units being sold is conservative, or at least realistic. Okay, I shouldn't say conservative, but at least realistic, my friends. Come on now. What is the rumored big Sapphire sale? Well, I can't really say. I am an honorable man, but basically maybe there is a huge Sapphire sale that just went down, or maybe not, right? Who knows? It's speculative, and oh man, AMC, AMC, man, the shorts are pouncing right here, but there aren't really there's not many pub, at least that we know of, shorts on AMC anymore, right? Bionano has a way higher short interest, so selling coming in maybe. Or dart pools, or manipulation, right? Sure, any of those. I guess you could blame any of those, I guess. No, apparently it was in, well, I guess I shouldn't say the lab, so I don't know. But yeah. Can you please make 5 videos a day regarding BNGO? I've tried that, and yeah, I don't know. I still have never figured out what the best way is as far as the views. It doesn't matter, there is none. Was there anything to that Alzheimer's collaboration with Pat Bio? Are you talking about the video that Pat Bio just released yesterday? Or are you talking about the thing that was this? This isn't Alzheimer's. What are you talking about? Send me a link. I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. What was your name? Noble Cook, my friend. Noble Cook. AMP Europe. Yeah, I don't think that's anything. That would make Q2 earnings report lovely. It already is going to be lovely, my friend. I think it is. I mean, it just depends. Hey, guys, you have to keep this into consideration, right? According to Chartmill, the estimate for the Q2 is going to be 3.608 million Q2 2021 Bionano revenue, right? If we get that, if we match that, that's going to be a 200% year-over-year revenue growth. How's that? How about them apples, everything money? Oh, they're losing money. Oh, so many shares outstanding. Shut up, bitch. Look at the DD. Look at the DD. Look at the units, man. All the revenue increases in the forecast and the projections from the analysts are there if you just look. I hate everything money. Stock up with Larry Jones and Stockmo pumped up BNGO. Then when BNGO dropped, Stockmo sold all. Wait, what price did he sell? Did he say? Why did he sell? God, I hate these people. Are y'all telling me the truth? Sometimes I feel like y'all are just literally, everybody's just trolling. I feel like everybody is just trying to make me sound stupid in the chat. You do a good job. Actually, I do it on my own most of the time. So after hours PR about this sale, and we moon tomorrow and burn shorts. I don't think even if it is legit, I don't know if they would be doing it today. I doubt it, because usually they don't. Usually they don't report PRs that quickly. So, yeah. Consolidation this week, bullish or bearish in your opinion? Well, right now, as of that's a good question, right? Are we in bullish or bearish territory, short term and midterm, right? Well, right now, the 4-hourly SAR and Supertrend are conflicting each other, but there's no doubt in my mind that macroscopically midterm next few weeks and next week, technically we're still in uptrend territory 100%. There's no doubt, okay? Anyone that knows what they're doing, I think, would come to the same conclusion as I did, okay? Now, I guess you can make an argument for being bearish, but we just broke out of a descending level of resistance that was basically a descending wedge. We are above the 21 SMA by a large gap, but for the first time, essentially, since the downtrend started, we have the daily Supertrend and star flip to bullish. You know, it's very hard to find any indication as to any indicator telling you you're in bearish territory for the next few weeks. Like, if you want to look at the 4-hourly Supertrend and say, okay, you're bearish, this is a bearish reversal. Okay, fine, that's fine, but you know, the thing is, and actually, you know what? Here, let me see if I can find a good example for you, if there is a good example. Okay, looks like there's probably not right there. No. So the 4-hourly Supertrend has been extremely good at predicting whether you're in an uptrend or downtrend, and right now it's saying it's over. It's saying we're in a downtrend. But that's why you have to look at multiple. And although it's had a very nice accuracy in the past, the one reason why I don't really care about that is because I don't really think the technicals matter so much for BNGO as compared to the markets and the broader markets and high growth. To be honest with you, which is boring to say, but the technicals are still important. But at the end of the day, if high growth goes down, Bionano is going to get decimated along with the rest of them. And this is why, with the inflation and the market and the government spending 120 billion a month, this is why I have a ton of buying power left. Right? You make your own decision on that, but you need to be prepared for the worst. Although I do like our chances tomorrow a lot. Tomorrow could be great or it could be nothing. I mean, yeah, I know it's like, Brandon, you're so vague. Come on, tell me something. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I don't. No one knows it's gonna happen. But what I do know is that the short interest has risen so much. We also have the options in high volume that's gonna happen tomorrow for sure. Essentially. It could get insane if people get their head of their arse. I think it probably is more likely to be green than red tomorrow. I'll say that. Okay, that's what I said yesterday. That's what I'll say again for today. Russell inclusion end of trading. That's Friday. Yes, yes, sir. That is true. That is true. Yes, we're still in bullish territory, in my opinion. Yes, is there somebody saying that we're in bearish territory short term? Well, whatever. Okay, you know the Bears, right? The Bears pull a number out of their ass and they're like, yeah, 621. We're gonna see 621 next. I'll re-enter there. It's like, no, you don't know that we're gonna hit that. Stock mode is paper hand. Really? He sold what price did he hold? Or what price did he sell? I mean, that's funny. Y'all just making stuff. I feel like I feel like y'all just make stuff out of your make stuff up, pull it out of the arse. Oh man, Stopmo has a penny stock account that has shares with his viewers, and BNGO was in it. As soon as it dropped 10%, he sold. What? Wait, why? That's funny. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's so funny, but stock mode just that description just sounds funny as hell. It's just all right. Sorry. Okay, posted update. Catch y'all later. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! All right, put your volume down if you don't want to get irritated. Maybe I'll try to stay away from the mic. But look at this. 6% increase almost right now. It keeps increasing. Look at this, Kate. I mean, just in the last hour or so, 0.75, 0.78, 0.82. We now have almost. I mean, we're basically at 16.5% of the free flow has been sold short, not yet covered. 45. I mean, do you guys realize how high that is? We're talking about a higher short interest according to Ortex data on BNGO than AMC, the mother of all squeezes, right? And you guys know I love AMC. I love them. I really do. I wish I bought a share today, right? I was going to, but I didn't, right? Because But anyways, there is something here that no one knows about. No one knows about the short interest for BNGO. BNGO doesn't get any mainstream covers nowadays. It's a relatively small percentage of people on YouTube and on Webull and just in the public that actually is interested in trading it and making money off of it. And being in long-term holders, it's a relatively small amount, I think. So I mean, just look at it compared to AMC. Okay, look at any I mean, are there any YouTubers out there that cover BNGO regularly besides me and the other two, right? Deo and Miguel, and Mr. Vessel and Franco Investment, and then who else? No one. No, is there any other YouTubers that really actually get views and cover BNGO mostly only? No, there's no one, and that just tells you, and of course YouTube is not the only metric that you can gauge it on, but no one really cares about BNGO. My point is this: once people actually get to know about BNGO and know about the short interest perpetually increasing since, not perpetually, of course, okay, that's impossible, but it's gone up so much and the price has gone up with it. I think if people could realize what's going on here, they would be very interested in what's gonna in what we have and the opportunity we have here. I don't know. Bought 20 shares today. Let's go. I hope you know what you're doing. If you do, let's ride to the promised land together, my friend. Welcome to the Fellowship of the Sapphire. It's good to have you here. 20 shares, 1 share, I don't care. Right now, it's a battle against the market manipulators. It's actually a war, right? The last live stream was named, what, you want a battle, here's a war, right? The market manipulators, they wanted a battle. They got one. They won the battle short term, right? They won it, and now we're getting the fundamental increases. We got a new CCO. We got a new CBO. We've got more leap options. We got a new rumored Sapphire sale. We've got an analyst upgraded price target. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting like 1,000 things. Oh, my gosh. We got the ORM news, which is not very, I don't really understand that, to be honest with you. I wasn't able to watch that. Was anybody able to watch the optical replication mapping presentation thing on Twitter yesterday? I hit the link. It just linked me to Zoom. Like, somebody please tell me what happened there. I cannot watch it. So we just broke the previous high, by the way, 786, 1% in green. Buying pressure coming in, shares being bought at the ask, helping the price to go higher. That's indicated to me by the green orders coming in and being filled here. Of course, there's always a buyer and seller in every transaction, but it depends on whether they're green or red depends on what price they're bought, bid or ask, and also if they're helping the price go up or down. Trading is easy. Buy a nano dimension when lower than BNGO, and vice versa, of course. Right. It's showing hard to borrow, but only 1.5% annual, which is not high for a highly shorted stock. Well, the short borrow fee rate is not extremely high right now. At least last I checked. Let's see. Let's see what it is now. Okay, wow. Never mind. It just went up to now. This does fluctuate, of course, but yeah, this kind of tells you what's going on, right? Almost 4%, right? Come on. The short borrow fee rate just skyrocketed in the last 2 hours. What does that tell you? What does that tell you, my friends? Can somebody confirm? Can somebody that has been an OG on the channel? Can somebody tell me if DAO is actually selling or not? And this is something we need to actually talk about. What the hell? What's going on? What is going on, man? DAO also bought the moon. Check out his channel. What? Up 1% right now. Let me check the Nasdaq real quick. We've got, oh my God, we only have 12 minutes till the close. Okay. Oh my God, look at the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq. Oh, if this thing could close, if this could have a power hour push here and close the day above all-time highs. Oh man, I don't want to tell y'all that I'm going to add a ton of shares because I probably won't because I'm too scared for the markets, but I really want to. I really want to. Someone said he bought puts. What? Dude, this is just misinformation. I feel like y'all are just trolling. I feel like you guys are just trolling me. Oh, man. No, don't get rejected. No. Some people have been saying DAO is becoming bearish. Don't know if he bought puts. I hope he didn't. That'd be sad if he did. I hope not. Well, whatever. Hey, let him do what he wants. Whatever. Damn, though. Damn. All right, up 1%, 786 right now. Are y'all projecting buys at the close or sells at the close? Well, I ask every day. I don't know why though, because everybody always says the same thing, right? People are buying the Nasdaq close. They should be. They should be. I mean, this thing closes above all-time highs today. We're gonna rally next week and tomorrow, right? I mean, it could get awesome if we do this. That's the first step, though. The first step is to get it closed above all-time highs, and the futures need to be green. Then we open up, and then we're gone. Then the volume and the options expiration hits in. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. You know what? Let me maximize this. Let me maximize the Nasdaq chart. Just broke the intraday high. It's about to break all-time highs. All-time highs is up at about right up here. About at that Fibonacci level. Oh man. Off with DAO's head. Only if he actually did sell. I don't know if he did. Strong close. Let's go. BNGO 8+. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so it still sounded positive. Okay. Which moving averages are you looking at, my friend? Or you must be looking at on a microscopic time frame because we're ahead of all of the major moving averages on the daily and the 4-hourly, to my understanding. Last I checked, at least. Here, let me check again. The Nasdaq is cooling off right now, so that's a good time for us to come over here. Yeah, we're above all of them. What are you talking about? On the 4-hourly and daily chart, we're literally above every single important moving average, I would say. I mean, the 100-day SMA, like, okay, that's pretty picky, all right? 100 SMA, it's like, come on. But whatever, okay, we'll call it a move. We'll call it a major one. We're below that, but every single other one we are above, right? I mean, you have to go to like the 2 hourly. Even the 2 hourly were above all of the moving averages. On the 1 hourly as well, and the 30-minute. Oh, I mean, come on. Yeah, no, we're in bullish territory, and pretty much, any way that you want to measure it, we're pretty much in bullish territory. But anything can happen. Please sell right now if you don't understand what you're doing. Okay, yeah, so it was just people trolling. Yeah, that's what I expected. Yep. Yeah, okay, so who's the guy that said, who's the guy that said, Deo was buying? I don't know what the hell's going on. Anyways, we're up about 1% right now. If anyone's just getting in it right now, I doubt it, right? The YouTube algorithm wants to kill, wants my head away, okay? 6% increase short interest on the day. About 16.5% of the free flow currently sold short, not yet covered, my friends. As simple as it gets. All right, we've gone over what this means. I'm not going to do the spiel again, but I'll just say that that the option chain, if we go here, open interest for calls and puts, right? They're expiring tomorrow, 18th of June. Look at the open interest here. It's going to get crazy tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be insanely green. All right, I think it definitely could be, especially if the Nasdaq closes above all-time highs. But it's going to be crazy one way or the other. In terms of volume, it's going to be insane. You can bet your ass the volume is going to be insane tomorrow, most likely, for a lot of stocks, not just BNGO. Nothing about any of the BS being talked about sell put. He's not selling. Come on now. Okay, yeah, so it's just bullshit. Yep. Okay, that's what we thought. Yeah, I am pretty sure people just options expired, open or close. Yeah, anything can happen. Yeah, of course, of course. BNGO, let's go. More and more people are talking about this stock. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what, at the end of the day, it's a matter of how many people know about BNGO, how many people are talking about it, the hype, right? Everyone likes to shun hype and interest. Oh, you know, we don't need Wall Street bets, right? Whatever, make your own opinion, but here's a fact for you. The more people that know about BNGO, the more people in the aggregate that invest and become long-term hodlers like us, and more people that join the fellowship of the Sapphire, my friends. That's what we need. We need more people to know about the tech in the Sapphire, and why it's better than next-generation sequencing and karyotyping and CMA and FISH. The methods, the cytogenetic standard golden care methods, right? They're shit. They're shit. They don't do what they're supposed to do well. Sapphire is better. We need more people to understand that. So in any way possible, as long as you're not spamming or something, you know, as long as you're not doing something stupid, do whatever you can to increase the interest of Bionano in a non-corrupt, legal way. Obviously, yada yada. Okay, you know all this shit. Okay, yada yada. Tomorrow, Nasdaq all-time highs and expiring of options equals first real potential for a squeeze. Yeah, maybe. You know what? You could be absolutely right. Yeah, I mean, potential, but you have to understand. You have to understand, right? Potential. Okay, at the end of the day, if they create enough FUD in the markets and get everybody by and large to panic sell, it's over. We're not going to squeeze. It's up to the people. It's up to more people to actually understand the short interest and understand the tech and being able to actually hodl. Right? You know, you sold too fast. That's why no one would remember your name, right? Take it from the freaking legend himself. I didn't even watch that movie. What is that movie even called? Troy, is that it, right? Is that a good one? Should I watch that? Whatever. We got 10 minutes to the close, or 5 minutes, so I won't go there now. Oh man. All right. 785 right now. Very boring close. We're straight barcoding, but we are seeing the volume increase here, right? Increase, right? No, but still, the volume is still absolutely awful, but you know, we'll take it, I guess, you know. Troy. Okay, is it good? Really, it is? Your beard is looking great. I'd keep it even if we shoot a 10 plus. If only more people thought like you, my friend. Actually, not really, though. Yeah, there's the beard. Actually, the attempted beard, right? That's the attempted beard. We're shaving that. If we have any new viewers in here, I'm sure we don't have any new viewers, but if we do have any new viewers and they're confused as hell, like, what's going on with beard? I am not shaving my beard until BNGO hits my attempted beard. I'm not shaving my attempted beard until $10, and I'm not getting a haircut until Bionano hits all-time highs, which is double its current price. That's how crazy I am, and that doesn't mean I think it's gonna move quickly. Yeah, that's just what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Okay, anything can happen. Please do your own damn research. Please do your own research. The Fed can crash the market at any point, man. Seriously. All right, Achilles. I compare it to Gladiator. Short the beard. No, do not short the beard. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. First it was the Wi-Fi. Now we're shorting the beard, bro. Oh, dude, my beard is 14 inches long now. I won't shave no matter what happens. Legend. Legend. Shave everything but the neck. My 7-year-old son has more hair, more bears than you, Brand. I think you mean hairs, which is true. Yeah, the beard is a disgrace. Attempted beard. Shorts on the beard, puts. No, damn it. Now the freaking beard is gonna, what is it gonna do? Is it just gonna disappear now? What does shorting it do? just makes it evaporate? Is that what it does? You tell me. Yeah, we call that peach fuzz. Yeah, peach fuzz in the south. Yeah. Oh man. It's 42K buy wall, 780 by the way. 42K buy wall. It's what you like to see. It's what you like to see. Probably fake. Oh, looks like the whales are out to play. Yeah, the whales are. Yeah, always. 3 minutes to the close, by the way. It's just bar. This is so boring. It's just bar coding. We are seeing buying at the ask, but still. Oh man. Manipulate the beard. How are you gonna manipulate the? What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? Beard squeeze, instant beard. What? 1% agreement now, man. The goal was to close above $8 today. Obviously, we failed. We failed miserably, right? We'll see what we do in the after hours, but absolute fail. I guess theoretically we could get a huge candle, I guess, but you know, we'll see. What's the Nasdaq doing? Oh no, it's selling off before the close. Well, I do like that we held above. You know, I like that we held very closely in. It's gonna be very, if the futures are green tomorrow for the Nasdaq, it's gonna get really interesting very quickly, most likely. If it's red, it could get very scary. And I know that sounds stupid. It's like, oh, it's just gonna. You're just saying either thing can happen. I know, but what I am saying is that there's likely to be more volatility and insanity tomorrow. For a couple reasons, right? Because we're either going to get a triple top or a break above all-time highs at the Nasdaq, and we've got the options expiring in a ton of stuff. Is Troy good? Is it? I think I saw a trailer, but I don't know. 786 right now. Hopefully, we got some big buys coming in at the close, but to be honest with you, usually they don't make a difference. So, you know, we'll see what happens though. What is the 4-hourly SAR we need to hold? That's a good question. Let's look real quick. We got 1 minute to the close. We're fine. It's at 725. We're fine. We're fine. This is so, the beard is so ugly, it's cool. That's the truth. Yes, that's the truth. 1 minute here. Here we go. What are we going to close at? The Nasdaq is kind of getting rejected, so that's kind of scary, to be honest with you. It's kind of scary. We'll see what we do in the after hours. It'd be nice if the futures was awesome. It would be nice if the futures were green, went green pretty soon here after the market closes, and then everything just starts going in the after hours because they know if we break above all-time highs, it's over. It's over. With the volume that we're going to get tomorrow, it's probably going to be over for the shorts, at least short term. But please make your own invested decision, please. Please. All right, here we go. 10 seconds to the close. Oh, boy. All right, here it is. I'm guessing buys. I'm guessing big buys. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Buys. I could be wrong. It's glitching. It's glitching. Is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, buys. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Whoa, we've got about, oh man, that's the highest amount of shares I've seen bought in a long time. Well, not a long time, a couple weeks maybe, but look at that. 339,000 at 786, and the price does not move at all. Think about that, man. Yeah, we had a ton of buys here. All right, let's calculate these. This is rough math. What you're about to witness is kindergarten math. All right, you ready? Here we go. All right. 340,000. 350,000. I can't focus. This price is going green now. All right, so I'm going to call that about 400,000 right there. 450,000. 450. 460. 465. 485. 500. Okay, so almost 500,000 shares. About 500,000 shares. Oh, Nano Dimension buy was almost 1 million. Damn it. Screw Nano Dimension, dude. I'm getting pissed off at Nano Dimension for outperforming BNGO, dude. This is shit. You guys know I like Nano Dimension, but this is just shit at this point. All right, boys. There we go. ARK took a position. Let's start the speculation. Oh, I don't know about that. Last time we had that speculation, it was total. We streamed it live, and it was nothing. It was a really good time. That was very funny. But yeah. So yeah, about 500,000 shares up in the after hours as well. I love it. I love it. We'll see what happens. I guess we'll continue streaming a little bit just because the after hours has, in the last 2 weeks we have it a couple after hours running days that we have caught live that have been we've been very fortunate to catch those. Maybe today is going to be that. It would make a lot of sense, right? If the futures are up, and let me actually pull up the futures real quick for the market since the market's just closed here. Let's pull this up. Let's pull up the Bloomberg whatever the futures here. They update automatically. Good. Okay, we'll keep our eyes on those. Right now, okay, so basically to recap the day, right? To recap the day before everybody leaves. Basically, Robbie showed up during ARK stream. I know, you're a legend for remembering that. That was awesome. ARK just bought 100 million shares. If shorts cover, would that show as green? Yes, because when they buy back their shares, they have to buy shares. That's how they have to buy them back, preferably at a lower price or a higher price. So yeah, to my understanding, yes. Look at that beautiful volume, though. Look at that beauty. Look at that volume coming in at the close there. 800,000. That's almost nothing. That's almost nothing. Oh, my gosh. Well, I mean, we'll take it. Hey, it's better. Hey, buys at the close is better than sells at the close, right? But, yeah, to some of the day, basically nothing insane happened today. We did have this new presentation, EACR 2021. That was going over from June 12th to June 15th. Now we finally have the presentation available for viewing. I gave this a skim. I'm going to watch this later and give you all the full analysis on the tonight's video summing up the day for BNGO. But yeah, there was nothing huge that I saw when I skimmed through the slides there. We also had this thing, which apparently somebody thinks this is new, which is not. This is not enough for me to go off of right now. But we also have another piece of news that no one knows about at all. No one. Okay, I guarantee. I mean, unless you watch the stream earlier, you don't know about this. Okay, it's speculative. Sure, it's speculative, but if it's true, it's something that we know before anyone else, including the hedges. Maybe there may have been a large sapphire sale that went down at some time in the recent past, potentially. Okay, potentially. I can't really give you my source for that because if you want to say it's speculative, Brandon, what the hell's that mean? Like, dude, that's just random. Like, okay, fine, but I'm just letting you know that maybe there's something going on. Did ARK really buy? Yeah, they're in. ARK is in, guys. No, I'm kidding. Should I change the title to ARK just bought BNGO? Clickbait, everyone. Oh, the dislikes would pile up pretty quick. Oh man, but yeah, short interest finished for the day. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think there was an update, but yeah, short interest. That's probably the biggest thing today, right? Short interest increased about 6% on the day. And tomorrow, what you need to know, we'll be streaming this obviously, but there's a ton of options expiring tomorrow. That's as simple as it gets. For Bionano, the option chain is expiring tomorrow. We got a double digit open interest for the calls. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. No, let me move over here. Okay, there we go. 15,000 open interest on the out money $9 calls, right? 15,000 open interest, 15,000 contracts out there. People are hodling, waiting, right? The volume is going to be huge for everything in the markets tomorrow, right? Or at least a lot of things, not just peculiar to Bionano. If the markets break above all-time highs, if the futures continue to look good, right? If the futures look good tomorrow and in a couple hours here and tonight, it may be a very good day tomorrow. With that being said, please understand the risks and please understand the company if you're going to actually hold this or buy BNGO shares. And with that being said, I think that is most of the, is that all the news we had today? I feel like I'm forgetting something. We technically had the filing, right? We technically had another institutional filing today. Effective date was March 31st. 13F filing. There's literally some institutions sold like, I don't know, a couple hundred shares. Yeah, that happened, and then I think that's it. I think that's all the news today. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Somebody tell me if I'm forgetting something. But yeah, with that being said, we'll take questions and then we'll get out of here. Unless we start going up a few percentages in the after hours here, we'll get out of here. Oh yeah, and then there was the fake stock split news. Yeah, there was the fake email, the fake stock split news, which is misinformation to my understanding at least. People need to stop thinking ARK will buy. They won't buy because they put their eggs in Pat Bio. Well, that doesn't mean Simon Barnett can't be fired because he's an idiot. And they realize he's an idiot. and change their mind, but it's unlikely. Yeah, with someone with a group that has such a big ego and pride as ARK Invest, dude, they're not gonna switch. They're not gonna admit, oh yeah, we overlooked some stuff. We're actually switching to BNGO instead of BIOL now. No, I don't see that happening. I hope it happens, but yeah. Not until the nano nozzle comes out, or until somebody shows them irrefutable evidence of the sales and the use of Sapphire in greater than 500 base pair detection. I mean, I don't understand them. I don't understand their thinking, but whatever. Yeah, Russell inclusion is going to be after hours, or quote, at the market close on June 25th, next Friday. That's a catalyst for BNGO. That's a true, real, legitimate catalyst. You can't dispute that, okay? We're talking about millions, if not tens of millions of BNGO shares being bought at the close next Friday. All right, price target for tomorrow, man. All right, well, bull case scenario price target for tomorrow is $8.50 or $9. Yeah, that's the bull case easily, if not higher than that. But bear case is a red day, obviously. Okay, so it can go either way. Sorry for being vague, but that's just the truth. Okay, I don't want to lie to you and act like I know what's gonna happen. Okay, if I knew what was gonna happen, I would be a billionaire, and I would not be making videos like this. All right, last minute questions. Let's get out of here. Feel free to get out of here now. I guess there's no other questions. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Yeah, we're gonna end the stream here in a little bit. We had huge buys at the close. Short interest is huge today, and we had misinformation with the stock split thing, and we had a new presentation come out today. And with that being said, that's all. That's all we have. Also the Nasdaq, right? Let's see how the Nasdaq actually closed here, real quick, if we can. Oh man, I don't like to see that. Well, whatever. It's still closed fairly close to all-time highs. Fairly close. So. The futures are good. It could get parabolic tomorrow for a lot of stuff, not just Bionano. Interesting. Nano Dimension and Microvision are cooling off in the after hours, and BNGO is running. All right. Yeah, we're doing the stream tomorrow. Yes, of course. Yes, we are streaming tomorrow. Yes. ARK fires Simon, hires Frank. Or I don't know how to pronounce that, but he immediately buys BNGO. If any of y'all ever get hired as an ARK analyst, remember this: throw everything in the BNGO. just to spite Simon Barnett. All right. All right, guys, let's get out of here. I'm not seeing any questions. Doing nothing in after hours. We'll cover it tomorrow. We're either going to options expire to open or close tomorrow. I don't. Somebody else answer that for him. I'm not sure. I don't want to say I don't want to say stuff unless I'm absolutely sure. Somebody say for sure. Options expire open or tomorrow. All right, everybody. Why do you like BNGO over CTXR? CTXR does not have the same chance for innovation. They just don't. Even with the CVCs, the Minolock being used with every single CVC in hospitals, it's still not. It's not even close to Bionano's innovation, in my opinion. All right, boys. All right, boys and girls, let's get out of here. What is special tomorrow? We've got options and we've got all-time highs for the Nasdaq potentially if the futures are green. Options expirations and a lot of things, not just BNGO. So it should be fun. It should be fun. All right, boys and girls. All right, thank y'all so much, man. We need sales next earnings. They will buy BNGO for sure. Yeah, I think so. I think if ARK's going to buy BNGO, it's going to be after an earnings report, most likely. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Why is the thing so high? If we start running in after hours, maybe we'll come back. Any idea if BNGO will announce new sales of Sapphire? Well, Crazy Cat, that's a good question. I don't think they will. Anyways, with that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next. Oh, thank you for that donation, my friend. Literally at the last second, I was about to leave. Oh, literally at the last second. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that. Thank y'all so much. Let's fake news. ARK is buying BNGO so we can get some more attention. The dislikes will pile up. Oh man. All right. With that being said, thank you so much. It's not finished. I will see y'all in the next one.